Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Blow the Man Down as recorded by Mike Jackson. It's a part of his Easy Ukulele Songs collection that you can find on YouTube. In this video, first of all, we'll talk about the chords used for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, then we'll talk about the chords used for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then I'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel and its sister channel, so the Uke Play-Alongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, so let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. There are only two chords. The first chord is the C chord, and then the G7 chord. And those are the two chords you need to play Blow the Man Down as recorded by Mike Jackson on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. On baritone ukulele, just like GCEA ukulele, you have two chords. So the first chord is the C chord, and then the G7 chord. And those are the two chords you need to play Blow the Man Down as recorded by Mike Jackson on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. As it comes to strumming, typically there's not one right answer on how to strum. And I generally remind people that there are three rules of strumming. Number one, make sure that you play the right chord at the right time. Number two, keep a steady beat. And number three, make sure that what you are doing matches the style of the music. Now, there was ukulele used in this recording because Mike was making a beginner ukulele song collection. However, you don't necessarily have to do this. You can play anything else you want to. But what Mike did in the recording is this. He starts with a down strum, and then it's down, up, down, up, down. And the whole thing goes like that. Now, we might as well talk, since this is a beginner sort of song, maybe you're a beginner and new to ukulele, just a couple things to remind you. First of all, my strumming hand holds my ukulele. It does most of the work. That allows this hand to move and do other things. So most of the holding work is done with this hand, which means that my whole arm can't be moving when I'm strumming. The action is at the wrist. And generally in the Hawaiian style, it's a matter of extending your pointer finger for that. You try not to use your thumb at the beginning because your thumb is so dominant that it will never let you do anything else later. I've heard from so many ukulele players that regret playing with their thumb first. Play with your pointer finger first. You point at you and you point to the floor and you play into the fretboard. Eventually, you'll learn how hard you can strum without causing any damage. Like that. Now, remember, we're in three here, so we're going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3 in. 1, 2, and 3 in. And I'm strumming where the body meets the neck, basically. That's where I'm going. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Slowly, that's down, down, up, down, up, down. You can do it too, and here's why. Because if I said just play down, down, down on a C chord, you would go. You wouldn't have a problem with that at all. And by the way, you could do that for the song. All down strums like that. Or you could even do one measure. That would all be okay. But naturally, if you're going down, 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 you're coming up without hitting the strings. Now it's a matter of hitting the strings as you come up. You could do them all too. But going down, down, up, down really does give you that focus on the downbeat in that 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Then G7. Back to C. So it's a great beginner song with just two chords and a strumming pattern that does allow you to do more than just down, down, down if you don't want to. All right, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.